If you're having trouble with your computer, it's running slow or not responding or has froze up, your first step would be to open the Task Manager to see what your computer is doing. This video explains the basics on this powerful tool, the Task Manager, and how to get the most out of it. The most common way to open the Task Manager is come down here in the taskbar, right-click, and select Task Manager. Now, if your Task Manager opens in a small box like this, you can still select items, programs, processes, and hit End Task. But if we click more details, that pops it right up open to this bigger screen where we can get some more information. A faster, easier way to get to this Task Manager is to hold down the Control, Shift, and Escape keys, all on the left-hand side of the keyboard. Alright, now we've got our Task Manager open. You're looking for a problem. So first, let's go to the Performance tab. This tab here, we're looking for one of the three main areas of your computer, your CPU, your memory, or disk, and one of these if they're maxed out. If we click on the CPU, the display screen here changes to the CPU and how much processing time it's happening. Real time. At the top right, you'll notice this is your core processor. This is your type of chip you have in your computer. Down here is how many processes are running at the same time. And this information here, uptime, is very useful. That's how long your computer's been on. Memory, at the top right, again, is your total RAM, how much is in use and how much is available. Your disk, at the top right, that's your disk that you have on your computer. And down here, your read and your write speeds are important. Alright, so one of these is maxed out. Then we're going to go over to your Processes tab.
You may be wondering what those little green leaves are. The green symbol is the Econo symbol, Windows Eco Mode or battery saver. It means that the app is suspended to help improve system performance.
And the one that's maxed out, let's say it's CPU. So right now the top process is Sophos. So if we click on the CPU column, it brings the largest value to the top. So let's try the memory. On the Processes tab, we can right-click here at the top and select Command Line. This gives you the path of where this process or program is. That's very valuable information sometimes. Or if we right-click here, we can hit Publisher. That tells us who the publisher, who made the program. That's helpful information as well. If we select a service or application over here on the left and right-click on it, we can go to Search Online, and that will automatically open a browser searched to that application, so you can get some information on it. Another thing you can do is you can restart a process or application. For instance, say your Start menu or your taskbar is not working. If the Windows Explorer right here, if we right-click on it and hit Restart, that will restart that process or that application and should fix your problems that you're having with it. Okay. These little carrots here on the left-hand side means that there's more than one instance of this application running. So say it was this one was locking up the memory, we could select it and come down here and hit End Task. That would stop it. We can also right-click here and hit End Task, and that would stop it as well. Techies call this killing the process, but really, basically, you're just stopping it. Now for the bad news. This tool is not perfect. Hackers have found a way around it. Some malware will not show on the Task Manager. Some malware will stop the Task Manager from opening and not allow you to see it. As a general rule, if your computer is not doing things you didn't ask it to, it has a virus. So call us. This covers the basics of the Task Manager and why and how most techies or knowledgeable users use it. If you found this to be useful or learned something, please share it with others to help them too. Like and subscribe will help get more videos like this online. If this did not solve your issues or you still have questions, you can call us at 434-363-2376. Lynchburg IT, your computer is your best friend. If not, call us.